Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Round steak can be a bit of a challenge, but with the right approach, you can transform this often overlooked cut into a culinary star. It is incredibly lean and budget-friendly, making it a fantastic choice for family meals. We will show you how to master this cut, ensuring it is tender and bursting with flavor every single time. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this simple, yet effective, guide. The secret to amazing round steak starts before it even hits the pan. Tenderization is absolutely crucial for this lean cut. You can achieve this by pounding the steak with a meat mallet or by letting it soak in a flavorful marinade for several hours. This simple step breaks down those tough muscle fibers, promising a much more tender bite. Do not forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground pepper right before you cook. When it comes to round steak, low and slow is definitely the way to go. Braising, where you cook the meat gently in liquid, is hands down the best method to achieve incredible tenderness. Using a slow cooker or a pressure cooker can also deliver wonderfully soft results. Steer clear of quick grilling or pan frying. These methods are simply too harsh for this particular cut. Patience truly pays off for a tender outcome. Once prepped, begin by searing your round steak in a hot pan for just a minute or two on each side. This creates a gorgeous golden brown crust and locks in flavor. Then, transfer it to your braising pot. Add aromatic vegetables like sliced onions, minced garlic, and even some carrots to build a deeper flavor. Finally, cover the steak completely with a rich liquid, perhaps beef broth or red wine, and let it slowly transform. After cooking, the final step is crucial for ultimate enjoyment. Always rest your round steak for at least 10 minutes once it is off the heat. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every slice remains incredibly moist. When you are ready to serve, remember to slice the meat strictly against the grain. This simple trick shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite wonderfully tender. Serve it with creamy mashed potatoes or vibrant roasted vegetables for a complete, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.